Hello friends, today I am going to show you Samsung Galaxy M32 5G. As you can see here on the box, its price here it is mentioned as 25,999. That means it is 26,000. But we get this product in a very good price from Amazon.com or Amazon India, with a very good price at any of the deals that is going on, or I got it from Amazon sale deal and I got this product for only 18,000 rupees. So the box is very simple, and since the thickness of the box, I can say that we get the charger inside this box. So this is a very different phone as compared to the M32. The M32 and is a normal 4G model but has a full HD display. But this is a 5G model but has a HD plus display. That means 720p display. But in the box we get 15 watt fast charger and 5000 mAh battery. 48 megapixel rear camera, 8 megapixel rear camera, 5 megapixel rear camera and 2 megapixel camera on the back, and the front camera is 13 megapixel. So why wait, my friends? Let's open this up. And do remember, my friends, let me say this again, it is a 720p display and it is not AMOLED, it is a TFT display. So we will see what is the difference. So let's open this. Inside the box, straight away we get the phone. This is Infinity U display, so I think no, Infinity V display, so there is no punch hole camera here. It is totally the phone here. The back is really nice, it is settled and the lenses are just protruding out, not a bump or something like that here. So let's keep this and see what's got inside here. As it was mentioned in the box, the 15 watt fast charger and on USB-A to USB-C cable. But my friends, do remember this cable is very small. I think it is less than 1 meter and so I will advise you to get a good charger cable with this. I'll show a charger cable too in my future video. I think we'll go for a Spigen, or you can go for that. It comes with a 1.5 meter length, and you can also go for the Spirig. That also comes with a 1.5 meter length. So let's open this up and check it out. So on the back it is mentioned made in India. So this phone is manufactured in India, and I think there will be a region lock here too. Might be, I'm not sure, but might be. Okay, the seal is really nice, and this is the phone, my friends. So on below we can see there is a 3.5mm headphone jack, one microphone here, USB-C port, speaker. Left hand side we get the SIM tray, and right hand side we get the fingerprint sensor. This is a very good thing. This is a fingerprint sensor and power button, both volume up and down button. On top we get another microphone. I think this is for the noise cancellation and all. And on the back the 64, 8 and 5 and 2 megapixel cameras, and front is a 13 megapixel camera. So let's boot this up, my friends, and check it out. How is the phone? So as you can see here, it comes with the build quality is nice. I can feel the back is glossy, so I will advise you to use a case because you will scratch the back. And the black one looks nice. It is not totally black as compared to my S21. This is the phantom black and this is the normal black. So they say it black, but it looks like it is a grayish finish. As you can see here, it is a grayish finish. And I got the model of 8 GB of RAM, as you can see it is mentioned here, 8 GB of RAM and 128 GB of storage, and it is a dual SIM phone. The phone has booted up, and we'll select the region and language here. So there is no English India here. So there is no English India here. We will go, okay, start. Out of the box, as you can see, the charge percentage is only 35%. So as compared to the display, I don't feel there is much of a difference, but there are difference. As you can see here, there are difference. This display quality and this display quality has a difference because this is the AMOLED and this is a TFT. So there will be some differences, my friend, but let's hope for the best, and we'll carry out forward. So I'm not going to set up now anything, we will just skip it. We'll just switch on the phone and check out. Okay, skip this too. So this is the first boot, my friend. So you can see what are the apps it is showing to install and what not to install and all. And we can also see out of the box what apps we are getting with the phone. Since we bought it from Amazon, I'm sure there will be Amazon installed apps here, pre-installed apps like the Amazon Shop and Prime Video. Netflix is a common thing nowadays. So it is showing me how to use the home button, and okay, I will agree. Phone is booted up. So the quality of the display is really nice. You can see the texture here. It is very clear and crystal. So it doesn't feel like this is a TFT display, but it feels like an AMOLED display. But the linings around the icons and the font, we can see the difference between the full HD display and this normal display. As you can see here, it is really clear, and here you can see this are slightly blurrier and all. So it happens because of the 720p display. But out of the box, these are the apps that we are getting here. As you can see, these are the apps out of the box that we get. These are the apps that we get out of the box, and if we would have set it up, then I think some more apps would have been also installed here. So these are the normal thing, and on the left hand side, as always, we are nowadays getting the Google Discover here. You can also go for the Google Discover or the Samsung Free here, and the storage and RAM that we will see here. The storage is yes, device capacity, memory. As you can see here, this is the storage out of the box. We have used 22 GB, and we are having more out of 128. 22.76 GB is used, and out of the box also there is, out of 8 GB of RAM, 2.3 GB is used, and rest all is really nice. And about the battery, we can check it out here. As you can see, this is the M32 5G model. Software information out of the box, we get One UI 3.1, Android 11, and 1st May 2021 is the Google Play system update, and security patch is 1st of August 2021. So about the battery information, yes, you can see it is a 5000 mAh battery. So that's all, my friends. Thank you for watching. The camera quality is good. I can see here. Yes, the camera quality is good. As you can see here, my friends, the camera quality is good. We do have the wide angle camera also, and that is a normal camera. Let's keep this and check it out. How is the photos? This is a wide angle photo, and this is a normal photo, and let's check those photos here. So as you can see, the details are really nice, and on the wide angle also the photos are really good, as you can see here, my friends. So the camera quality is nice, And rest the phone performance will be also very good because it comes with a Dimensity 720 processor and 8 gigs of RAM and camera. The design is also like, and the phone is very light, but my friends, it feels bit bulky because of the 5000 mAh. It is very wide as compared to the M52. I will say that better go add some few bucks or save some money and go for the M52. If your budget is very tight, then and you need a 5G phone, then you can go for this phone because the bezels in these phones are also very big. I can feel them. As compared to the M32, it feels a bit big and all. So that's all my friends, thank you for watching. This was the video for the Samsung Galaxy M32 5G unboxing and the first impression and first boot. If you have any doubts, feel free to ask in the comment section below. Do subscribe my channel and stay safe. Bye bye.